Hello. I just decided that I'm going to do a video about quadrupeds because I'm going to SIGGRAPH next week and I want to bring in my demo reel a quadruped. So I was working on it and I think like, well, let's do the leg as a tutorial. Okay, I'm just going to do IK because FK is just controller parent. That's it. So let me explain how to do the IK. In this case, I have this leg. This leg is currently moving the bind joints. So later I can add the FK system. Okay. First of all, we have two main systems that we can use. I'm going to use the IK system because I think it's the easiest one and fastest one. So let's just create an IK from this joint to this joint, as it was like a biped leg. The bind screen is not final, so the weights are not done. So if we have this part of the leg already done, so we need to create another system so this thing also moves. Okay, so we're going to create another IK from 0 to 2. Okay, so when we move both, we are creating this kind of effect, the quadruped leg effect. Okay, now we want to use Comet. I already explained how to install it, so look at the past video. I think I explained it in that. It's really easy. You download it, extract the zip, put it in the scripts, and run this command. Source, command menu, that's it. Okay, and we're going to do a cube for the IK system. I'm going to scale it in component mode. Maybe not that big, I think that's extreme. Because it's an arcade system, I want the axis to be, I think, with the world. So let me reset the pivots, the pivote. Oh, let me close this thing. So just pa 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 pa. Okay, maybe not like that, but modify freeze transform. That's the easy way. Okay. So when I move this one, it's moving forward, side, and up. Okay, because the animator will love to have it like that, I think. Okay, let's make this a little nicer. Side view. Take your time with the controllers. The animators really appreciate when the controllers are looking good. So for this one, I think this thing is working like that. Okay, really nice. Okay, now let's grab those two, put inside them, open RDM tool version 2. Again, if you want to use this tool, just write me, I can send it to you. For now it's in beta, so not everything is connected. As I promised, I will post it when it's finished. And rename. This is back leg IK. Beep. Okay, I need to. Okay, yeah, sure. This is a controller, and its left side. These things, this can be named the exact same way. And left side, that's fine. Oh, I don't know if the IK I generated was okay. I messed up because we need rotating plane, and I was doing single chain. So just delete them and let's do it again. Okay, but with rotate plane. I was working with the eyes with IK, so that's why. Okay, just redo them. Okay, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So let's rename them again. Back leg underscore IK rotate plane, rename with numbers, rename, and left side. Okay, that's it. I need this controller to be clean. So, it's already clean. Wow. Yeah, because I do fish transform. I'm going to do an offset group, so we have another system. Okay, I just want one. Okay, I don't know why, but the tool is like, it's still in beta. Okay, I don't worry. Okay, so it's working now. We have this kind of system. Now we need to. It's like too wide the video. It doesn't matter. Okay, we now need to do two pole vectors, one for this kind of point and the other one for the other part. Okay, so how to do a pole vector that really works, because a lot of people usually do the pole vector whatever they want and it doesn't work. It's like a flip a little bit, so let's do it the right way. At least the way I learned that works. We will need a plane with 3. In this case we're going to do pole vectors, so we need 2. So I hide this one and put one vertex in each part of the IK system. Okay, again in this second system these are the ones. Okay, now if you grab the corner and Control Shift right click of the mouse and change the axis to the normal, you will need to move this in B, I think, and this one too. Just grab this one, move it in B. I don't know if B is the answer, if you know. Let's see. Along rotation axis? No. Axis parent? No. I think it's gonna work with B. Okay? So let's see what happened. I need to this location and this location, so the easiest way to have it is deform cluster. I'm going to reset this and do with comet some spheres. Yeah, now we can delete this and this. The clusters will go away. Grab this one. This is the first one. Okay, grab this one and do a and do a pole vector constraint. You see, they didn't move. This is really important, because if they move, we're screwed. And let's see, let's corroborate. The screen cluster off, on, off, on, off, on. Stay the same. That's fine. That's amazing. Okay, now we have a pole vector. Yay! So we can do this kind of stuff. That's really nice. Now I think this needs to be a little further, so let me go back and move this thing a little bit. Something like that. Going to move, grab this and snap it. Okay, delete this, grab this, this and this pole vector, this and this pole vector. Okay, I fucked up somewhere. Okay, this and this, no, this and this pole vector. Yeah, this and this pole vector. Now we are done. Okay, nice. It's working really nice. Yeah, sure, that's fine. But the pole vectors are dirty. We need them really nice. So again, we can use this. It's not working really well, but create auto and root. Okay, the renaming first. I need to set this thing right. Yeah, rename this as back leg underscore pb for pole vector numbers. Oh, this is a controller and this is left side. And now create the root auto. That's it. Okay, nice. We have this set up. Now what I want is to have a line that connect the pole vector with the joint. So for that, again, RDM tools. I don't know why I still close this window. I usually have it in the second monitor, but you cannot see that, so that's maybe why. Okay, grab the pole vector, grab the joint. I don't know which one is the joint. Pole vector, this joint, connect with line. Okay. Now this side, pole vector, joint, connect with line. Okay. That's it. We have a line. Amazing. Now change the color using Curve Creator. That's the one I like to use because its left side is going to be blue. Everything is going to be blue. So blue, yeah, blue. That's it. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Now we just need. Okay, this is the lines. This is the IK system and the joints. I'm going to put this up here. Okay. Let's see. We need to do the reverse foot for this one. This is working. Maybe it will be nicer if we move maybe we can have like a attribute that say if the pole vector is parented to the foot or not. But for now, let's do the reverse foot. For doing the reverse foot, we need to duplicate this chain and delete all this. I'm going to call this joint reverse foot. It's fine. Reverse foot. Reverse foot. Everything needs to be separated, and this one needs to be where the foot ends, in this case right here. This is reverse foot number 1, reverse foot number 3. I think that's the way. Reverse foot number 2, reverse foot number 4. Okay, now just 4 inside 3, 3 inside 2, 2 inside 1. Okay, now we have the system. Yay! And we need to do some IKs. Okay, I'm going to use in this time single chain. I'm going to do one from I need to hide the other joints so I can see them. Hide, show these ones. Yeah, I want a single chain from number 3 to number 4 and from 4 to 5. 4 to 5. That's it. Now this is reverse football. Reverse foot fingers. I don't know. That's fine. The ball go inside this one and the fingers go inside this one. So when I rotate this one, the system is working. Yeah. When I rotate this one, the IK needs to be inside. Oh, these two IKs, I'm going to group them. IK group. Back leg, IK group. Left. Needs to be inside this one. Yeah. So when I rotate this one, all the foot rotates from there. All the foot rotates from there. I think the weighting in this part is really bad. So let's fix it before continuing. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Something like that so we can see it better. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So when I rotate this, everything rotates from there, from here everything rotates from there, and from here, yeah, that's fine. Now I can do it like in here. Oh, it's dirty. The controller is dirty. Oh, why? I don't really care right now. Okay, all this system is going to be inside here. What happened if I modify freeze transform again? Nah. Freeze transform again. Yeah. Back like here. So when I move, everything moves. Now I'm going to do the controllers for the foot. So sometimes, usually we do the controllers in here and in the joints. In this case, because I don't want to make a long video, I'm going to do in this one because I think it's harder. If you see, I think I'm going to do both. That's fine. If you are seeing this video because maybe you don't have anything to do or you want to learn, so let's help you. Okay, let's do it the first way. We need to create some attributes. I don't know how they going to be called, so Okay, one by one. This first one, I think this is called, I don't remember the names in English. That's fucking Spanish. I just going to call it the way I want, and then I check it. Okay, this is going to be rotate heel. I'm going to call heel. Okay, from it doesn't have limit. Add. This is heel. This is fingers. Add. This is ball. And this is ankle. So I have, oh fuck, I fucked up. Oh fuck, I do it when I do it in the other controllers. Okay, again, let's do it again. It doesn't matter really much. Let's see. Okay, heel. Then we got fingers. Then we got ball. Then we got ankle. Okay, that's fine. Go to general connection editor, and we're going to connect all this with these ones. Okay, this one is going to be with rotate C. If I rotate this one, it's rotating. Yeah. So heel with show non-heable with the rotate foot one, rotate C. Okay. The second one is going to be in Y. So fingers rotate in Y. Ball is going to be in C, in Y. Ball in Y. Rotate Y. And this one is going to be in Y. Ankle in Y. Okay, that's it. If I grab this and use them, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. Okay, working perfect. Now we want to have a some controller so the animator can use it from there with these awful names or from the main body. So we're going to do it this way. Grab all these four, and we're going to use, in this case, Comet, because it's the same as zero out. This create a group above my, okay, I'm not going to use Comet, I'm going to use mine, because mine creates two groups, one called auto and one called root. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. So if you remember the last video I did about shapes, we can put a circle inside this group. So inside the auto, if you see, if we rotate, it's creating another layer of movement above the existing one. So let's do that way. Just grab a circle. I need the shape. I'm going to call reverse foot shape. And inside the auto, I'm going to use parent rs, and I don't know if yeah, let's do it that way. Auto parent add, auto parent add, auto parent add. Let's see if they work like that. Oh, man. Let's see. I think they work for now, for what I'm doing. Maybe this, I cannot do that. I'm going to do a shape for each one. I need 4, so one auto, there we go, one auto, there you go, one auto, there you go, and the last one, there you go. We're going to rename them reverse foot shape with numbers, rename That's nice. Now we need to rotate these two without this one. These two. Something like that. Maybe this one, no. This one is going to be like that. Because this one is the heel, I think. If we, yeah, okay. This one is the ball, so yeah, this one is right. Something like that. Really, really nice. Really simple shape, but it works. This one is going to be in the floor, on the floor. Man, English is so hard. Like all the words in English, and so it's like thinking in English, but also in Spanish, so I can work and teach at the same time. So there you go, and we still have this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one is hiding, huh? You don't want to show in the video. There you go. Whoa, let's move it right there. And that's it. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Let's change the color to something like light blue. Something like this one. And there you go. We can do a attribute show and show them from it's going to be a num displayable. It's going to be height. No, this one is going to be height. This one is going to be show. So we go to node editor. We can do connection editor, but node editor is okay. Grab this controller, grab this curve. If I hide this one, I'm going to use all these ones, not shapes. Yeah, no. The first one, the first one. There we go. In this root, oh my mouse. In this root, we're going to connect the visibility. I don't have the visibility here. I never created it. I created somewhere else. It's hard to focus and to create the controllers where they need to be. Let's see. I think there we go. Something edit, add attribute, show controls. This is height. This is show, displayable only. Okay, there we go. So the show controls go to here to visibility. So when we change it, it changed the system. Okay, this is a basic IK leg. I'm just going to do the last part when we create the system here in the poll vectors, so they follow the leg. So add attribute, follow leg is going to be keyable, a float from 1 to 0, add them, and this is how they work. Okay, let me clean this one first. All the things I don't need, I'm going to clean them. Okay, those lines, nothing to show here. So hide selection. These ones are only translatable, so this one can be rotated and scale. Yeah, that's it. So we only have what we need. Okay, so for this to have this kind of thing, we're going to use a dummy locator. In this case, I have one dummy locator already here, null locator. It's just in the center, it doesn't matter, it's not going to be moving, but we are going to use it so we can parent two things to this thing, so we can have like a blend. So it's not like 1 to 0, it's 1.9, 0.8, So this is nicer. Okay, so new locator. Let me see where these things are. Where these things are. We need the auto. Yeah, so this auto parent constraint, this auto parent constraint. We can use a point constraint because they only move. So if I move this, the polyvectors move. And if we have this one, parent, so now the parents have two of this. Okay, let's clean this up. Oh, I don't know if I show you how to connect the visibility. I was working on my second monitor, I think. Sorry if I do that. It's hard to do this kind of videos. Like, I really start to understand all like my friends that do live streams. This is hard, and it's really hard. Okay, let's see. This the follow leg and those parents. Parent. This is with this one with this one, and this one with this one. Okay, three. The first one is really easy. Follow leg is going to be to the, if it's in 1 is going to work with the leg, and if it's in 2 is going, in 0 is going to work without the leg. So let's see if this works. If we have this one in 1 and we move this, it's following the leg, so it's working. Okay, if we change this one to 0, it's not following it anymore, but it's not yet ready because from now it's just snapping, it's not doing a blending. So for the blending we are going to need this kind of thing. We need a plus minus average. We are going to add 2 items here. One is a 1, is going to be a subtract, and input 2, this is going to be in input 2 x. Yeah, that's right. The output x is going to be right here, and we do the exact same thing in the other side. Output y is going to be here, and this is going to be I fucked up, I don't know. It's here. No, it's not here. It's in here. Let me see. Yeah, it's in here. So if we move this, these ones are moving, and if we change this, it's going to work really nice. Okay, that's it. I think we see all the system. If I forget anything, let me know, but this is one way of creating a quadruped leg. Okay, this is maybe too close. We should be moving this. Let's see. It's okay. Okay, we need to move the group above it, the other one. I'm going to fix it later, like it's just creating again the parent and that's it. Okay, so this is how you create this kind of system. Hope you use it and hope you like it, and hope it works someday for you. So have a nice day and see you soon.